And by using this Pearson correlation coefficient, we will find the correlation. Okay, so the range of this formula is range of this Pearson correlation coefficient is, okay, that is range of R x comma y is -1 to +1. Okay, okay. So if see here, if R x comma y is 0 to +1, then there is positive correlation. Okay, positive correlation. Okay, that is x increases. Okay, if x increases, then y also increases. Okay, so if R x comma y is, okay, R x comma y is -1 to 0. Okay, then negative correlation. Okay, that is if the variable x increases, then y decreases. Okay, this is negative correlation. Okay, if R x comma y is equal to 0, then there is no correlation. Okay, no correlation or zero correlation. Okay, that means if x increases, then y no change. Okay, no change in y. Okay, so this zero correlation or no correlation. Okay, this one. Okay, see this example. Okay, so if in positive correlation, see for example, if the plant yield, okay, the if the correlation between the plant height and the plant yield is positive, then the meaning is if the plant height increases, then the yield also increases. Okay, so okay, so if the correlation between the plant height and the plant yield is negative correlation, then if the plant height increases, then the plant yield will be decreases. Okay, if the correlation between the plant height and the plant yield is 0, then if the plant height increases or decreases, the yield of the plant will not change. Okay, that is so that okay, that is the meaning of this correlation. Okay, positive, negative, and zero correlation. Okay, so if xy is +1, okay, +1, then you will say perfect positive correlation. Okay, so if r is equal to +1, okay, that is correlation is +1. Okay, that is you will say perfect positive correlation. Okay, if the correlation is -1, okay, then we will say negative, sorry, perfect negative correlation. Okay, that is if the value is 1, okay, that is exactly 1, then it is perfect positive correlation, and exactly -1, okay, then we will say perfect negative correlation.